Hey guys, Lego Maniac 2011 here. I'm filming this at 7 in the morning. I was just playing IDS and I thought I would show you something really cool. So I found a glitch in Super Scribblenauts. Yes, I got the game. So you go to single player, click on whatever profile you have, go to these, and then you come up with all these. Buy the other Maxwell, that's blue and red. So yeah, just buy him. And then go back. Here. Then write Time Machine. Go to Time Warp 2. Should work. That's one. But not the one I wanted. That was another one I was going to show you guys. I have to go to Time Warp 5. Yeah, you might have to go through all of them first. Nope. This should work. No. Okay, anyways, that was the glitch I wanted to show you guys. Yeah, I'm kind of tired since it is 7 in the morning, so yeah. This has been a Lego Maniac 2011 video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.